Yeah, so today we'll see the memory layout in the C programming. So in C programming, the memory layout consists of these five segments, like text segment, initialized to classified into uninitialized and initialized segment, then heap and stack. So like the text, what is text segment? So after we compile the program, a binary file will be generated. So which is used to execute our program by loading into the RAM. So this binary file contains instructions and these instructions get stored in the text segment. So text segment has only permission to only the read-only permission. It is to prevent the like external modifications. Then initialized data segment. The initialized data segment is a part of the computer virtual memory space of a C programming. Contains all values of like all external global static and constant variables whose values are initialized at the time of variable declaration in the program. So this memory segment has the read and write permission. Then uninitialized data segment. So an uninitialized data segment is also known as BSS, like a block started by symbol. So every data in the BSS is initialized to arithmetic 0 and a pointer to a null pointer by the kernel. If there is a pointer, it will initialize to null pointer by the kernel before the C program executes. And this is also having the read and write permission. Then the heap. The heap is used for memory which is allocated during the runtime, dynamic memory allocation. Heap generally begins at the end of the BSS segment. So they grow and shrink in the opposite direction of the stack. Like command lines like mlog, clog, freelog, etc. used to manage the allocation of the heap segment. And then the last segment, the stack. The stack segment follows the LIFO structure, like last in first out structure, and grows down to the lower address. But it depends on the computer architecture. So the stack grows in the direction of the opposite to the heap. The stack segment like stores the value of local variables and values of parameters passed from the function along with some additional information like instruction return address, like all those things. Like if you take an example of this one, um, so the void function int arg, so this will be in the stack. This memory will be allocated for in the stack, and this is a local variable. Again, it will be in the stack. This is a static variable. Since it's a static variable, so where it will be saved? It will be in the uninitialized. It is not initialized, so it will be in the uninitialized, which is in the BSS actually. Static int set equal to 1. So it will be in the initialized data segment. Initialized data segment. And again, there is a stack. This will be in the stack, and this returns an address actually. So this will be in the stack, and this will be in the malloc will be in the heap. So this is a global variable int a. So int a will be in the global variable, but it is an uninitialized. So it will be in the uninitialized data segment. Then static int c equal to 0 and int d equal to 3. So it will be in the initialized data segment. So again, inside the main int p static q uninitialized data segment, static int r it is initialized. So initialized data segment. So likewise, this is how the memory is managed, the layout memory management. Yeah, thank you.